Hello my creative friends. Today I will show you how you can open and edit single document into Windows inside Photoshop. First, open up your document and go to Windows, Arrange, then select the last option. New window for Corgi. Here you will see your document name. You will now see two separate windows of the same document. Now again go to Windows, Arrange and select two up vertical to see the both documents side by side. Here you can easily edit your picture and see the result on the other hand. Now select the lasso tool and draw the outline of the train. We will remove it from the picture. After that, make sure your image layer is selected. In my case, it's layer 0. Then go to Edit and select Content Aware Fill. Play around with the settings and when you are satisfied with the results, hit OK. You can pan around and see the final results. Press and hold Shift plus spacebar to pan the both pictures together. That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, do consider subscribing my channel for more tips and tricks for Adobe softwares. Goodbye.